Hey, now I'm Wit, and you see 4 watches in front of you. This totals up 1 year of quarterly subscription of the Black Tier from Watch Gang. And was it worth it for me? We'll talk about it next. Yeah, so thanks for joining me. I mean, Watch Gang can be a pretty hot topic. You've got people that are really, really against them, and some people are kind of right down the middle, and others just love them to death. You know, where am I? I think I'm probably somewhere in the middle there, and for a couple of reasons. Okay, so you see these 4 watches, and we'll go over them in just a second here, but I think for me, it's worked out in that I like the surprise element of Watch Gang, and so far out of these watches, they've all been pretty much worth their value. Again, that could be debated. It's very subjective, but you know, I think it's worked out for me. Now, I've said this in comments before. Would I continue Watch Gang without a YouTube watch related channel? No, probably not. I think at this point, I would probably be done with them, and I could still be. I'm just kind of taking it 1 quarter at a time with my current subscription on Watch Gang. You know, I may cancel at any time. It just whenever it just doesn't quite feel right, then I'm out. But right now, people seem to like watching the surprise videos, and I enjoy the watches so far. And you know, it's working for me. It doesn't mean it's going to work for you. It doesn't mean it's going to work for everybody. Again, Watch Gang is it's something different for everyone. So. I can see both sides of the story. We'll go over each of these watches now, and then I'll kind of summarize at the end my thoughts on more about pro or con Watch Gang. So the first watch I got was this Jerome Lemars, and it's an automatic diver, and I just thought it was a perfect match for my style preference that I'd filled out in joining the Watch Gang Black Tier subscription. So I was real happy to get this, and it still sits in my collection. It's just a very comfortable, well-built watch. Got some quality control issues, obviously. Well, I shouldn't say obviously, but see, again, some people think, yeah, obviously, because that's what you're getting, right? But no, it's been a great watch, so it stayed in the collection. It's there, all right? And then the second watch was this Nautis. Now, I was not as fond of this. I was happy with it when I opened it up, and I just was a little cold on it, though. You could probably tell from the unboxing video. But I gave it a chance, and I was glad that I did. I really enjoy it. This is a wonderfully comfortable bracelet. Love the bracelet. And I should mention, too, so milled clasp on this one, and on the Jerome Lemars, also a milled clasp. Although it doesn't have the push button. It's only got the fold-over safety latch. I'm not real as fond of those. But so you see, first watch was automatic, milled clasp, and the second watch was a quartz, but also a 200-meter, I would call it more of a sport watch, milled clasp. And again, I'm glad that I gave this one a shot because it's a beautiful watch, and I learned to like it. This is a perfect example. I would not have chosen this watch for myself, but when I gave it a chance, I really fell in love with it. Okay, so then the third watch I got was this Selhor, and it is also a 200-meter quartz diver. This one didn't stick with me. You'll see it's still got the wrap on it because it's just remained ready to go out the door. It's a beautiful watch. I just, for whatever reason, did not connect with it. I mean, it's got a decent bracelet, too, as you can see. It is a pressed clasp. But, yeah, for whatever reason, I just didn't connect with this one. Even though I can appreciate, you know, its beauty, it just didn't resonate with me. So that's going to happen from time to time. I understand that. Not so much mad, but I did think that, you know, getting an automatic first and then getting a quartz and then getting another quartz, it was like, okay, I see what they do. They give you an automatic to, you know, get you excited about it, and then it's going to be quartz from here on out, you know. Well, that wasn't the case, because then my most recent watch, the fourth one to arrive, was this automatic with, again, a milled clasp. And I just really was surprised. So, and I've been super happy with this watch. Same thing, when I open it up, I'm not a black dial guy for the most part. I have a couple, But it's just not my go-to, my favorite choice. But man, I've absolutely fallen in love with this watch. Now, again, still in the honeymoon period on this one, so it's not real safe. I'm going to kind of keep my comments brief on it. But this PUREDIAL Tempostar has just been a great watch so far, and I'm wearing it a lot. Had I not joined Watch Gang and just put $400 towards a watch that I really, really wanted or liked, that would be a great plan, right? And I don't see anything wrong with that. If you like Watch Gang and you want to spend your money on that, you've got the money. It's your money. Do what you want to do, right? I just think either way is a good plan. It's about you and your watch collecting journey. What do you want to accomplish? What do you like? Do you want to get a variety of watches that you wouldn't normally pick out for yourself to find out what you like? Or to explore other movements, or to explore other brands? It's all about what you want to do. No way is wrong or right. That's the way I feel about Watch Gang. If you want to take the risk, the gamble, because that's what it is. It's definitely gambling. If you want to take the risk of putting $100 towards an unknown watch, a surprise watch coming to you, and you're comfortable with it, then go for it. If you don't, if you want to save your money up and take $400 or take $200 and get two $200 watches, again, same thing. I'm just using these as an example, because some people do the Watch Gang monthly, some do quarterly, and again, that's a perfect example as well. Monthly, $100 for me, I wasn't not even close to considering it. You can do monthly, quarterly, or you can just do one-off, so if you wanted to just do it once a year, you could. So again, there are, just like watch collecting, there are many different varieties of the Watch Gang experience that you could elect to participate in. So I'm not here to, say, yay, Watch Gang, and you should sign up for this, and I'm not here to bash you and say you should cancel that subscription immediately. I'm here to say, do what you want to do. It's your money, your watch collecting, and this is what I've done so far. Watch Gang Black Tier Quarterly. So this is $400 in front of you. I've got these 3 that I'm keeping, and this one will be outgoing. So far, I'm happy with my Watch Gang experience, and again, I'll take it quarterly to quarterly on whether I'll continue my subscription. But I hope you enjoy watching the videos. It seems like you do, and that's one of the reasons why I've kept it up. So if you enjoy the Watch Gang videos and other watches that I collect and show you, I'd love for you to subscribe to the channel and follow along. And hit the like button on this video if you will, and that'll help spread it out, and we'll keep this Watch Gang conversation going down in the comments below, all right? I'm Whit with so many watches, so little time and money.